What are some of the cure trials coming up in Australia, and how would you recommend people get involved?
Yeah, well, we have a number of cure studies coming up in Australia. The one that is about to start quite soon at the Alfred and Melbourne Sexual Health Centre here in Melbourne, together with us at the Doherty Institute, is using a more antiviral treatment. So people that are already on antiretrovirals come and take an additional agent, this time dolutegravir. That's not going to cure HIV. What that will do is tell us how much of the virus that's hanging around is due to ongoing infection or the antivirals not getting into places they need to get to. That's still actually an unanswered question. So that trial will be really informative. We think about a third of people still have virus replicating, and we need to get rid of any replicating virus before any cure strategy. So that's going to happen very soon. We're in advanced discussions with colleagues in the US, largely at UCSF, around starting studies with drugs that manipulate the immune system or boost, as I talked about before, these new blockbuster drugs in the cancer field basically boost exhausted T cells, so they rev up your immune system. They work really well in cancer, and they probably will work really well against HIV. Look very good in monkey models. Those drugs are called immune check blocker inhibitors, really catchy name, immune check blocker inhibitors, but the one that's probably received the most attention is a drug called anti-PD-1, which has recently been licensed in the US for treating melanoma. And PD-1's a really important part of the HIV story as well. So anti-PD-1 could potentially be promising, and we're in pretty advanced discussions about trying to get those studies here.